This is a 1963 Volvo 122S, also known as an Amazon, I believe. Was in storage for quite a few years. Hadn't been driven since '01. You can see it on the plate there. Belonged to my brother, who I tried to sell it originally for 500 bucks. Got a few takers, and I thought, well, heck, for 500 bucks, I'll buy it. My brother said, no, you can just have it. I had fond memories of this car because he took me to Canada in it when I was a teenager. That was quite a few years ago. So basically, I had it towed down here from about 40 minutes away, and put some starter fluid in the, put a battery in, put some starter fluid in the carb, and it fired right up. We're sitting for 23 years or so. So it's a V18 engine. It was rebuilt about 10,000 miles ago, my brother said. We had the carbs taken apart and cleaned. I put a new plug wires and distributor cap on, and new brake cylinder, new clutch cylinder. Battery I took out for now, and so that's needs a little bit body work on the hood. Looks like I do have the full chrome grills and the rest of the bumper brackets. Body is straight. It was in California for originally, but then it's been in Oregon for since '87, I believe. The body doesn't seem to have any apparent rust, just a few spots of surface rust. Sorry for the video. A little bit there, maybe more than surface there. I can't tell if it was bumped in the back or not, because the trunk lid, you can see, doesn't quite line up. So I think I need to have that pulled back out. Sorry, I'm not far enough back to see the whole car. I do have all the stock wheels that are the same body color, and I have the chrome rims, beauty rings for all the tires. I have, the seat is decent, but needs some replacement. Dash obviously needs some work, replacement. The dash itself was pulled out of a '67 wagon because my brother said he fried the electrical system, so we put that wiring harness and that dash in this car. So we're gonna have to repaint that, put a new dash pad in. Needs, the floor is very solid. It's rusty colored, but it's very, very solid. And headliner's toast, of course. I have all the trim panels for the doors, except for the drivers. So it's going to need a new steering wheel, looks like. Also new seat covers, definitely for the passenger seat. Looks like the driver seat was already replaced. The back seat is decent, but could be replaced. Definitely the tears there. See the floor there? It's very solid. I love the way these doors sound. The gas tank has some pinholes in it, so it needs to be either pulled out, repaired, or replaced. But it's solid back here too. Bumper needs a good cleaning. And that's the project number 1.